So Arindamji, the session is live now.
Okay.
Live on
Thanks.
Zoom as well as on Facebook. Thank you. Over to you.
Right. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank all the participants who has made this session for the first session enormous success. And with the response of the students, we are very happy to come up with this second session of on boards with tips and tricks from Mr. Anshul Garg. Before I move on to Mr. Anshul Garg, I would be inviting Mr. Prakash Kumar to come on the stage to say something. Prakash ji.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Arindam, and thank you all the participants who attended our first webinar. As we know, yesterday CBSE released the date sheet of your class 10 term 2 examination, and on the 5th of May you will having the paper of your mathematics. In the first webinar we covered your unit algebra, and you must be very much be aware in this term 2 there are total of 7 chapters which covers your 5 units. So in this webinar we will be covering your unit geometry, that is circles, and unit trigonometry chapter 5, some applications of trigonometry. The weightage of the 2 units are geometry is 9 marks and trigonometry it is 7 marks. In the third webinar we will be covering your mensuration and your statistics and probability unit. Yeah, thank you, Arindam.
Right, Prakash ji, if you want to share anything else, anything more, if you
No, that's
want.
all.
Okay. Thank you, Prakash ji. Right, next I would like to call upon Mr. Anshul Garg. Before I give the stage to Mr. Let me introduce Mr. Anshul Garg. Mr. Anshul Garg is a BTech honors graduate from IIT Kharagpur. Following his passion of teaching and love for physics and maths, he set himself on a journey which is changing lives of millions of aspirants across India and abroad. Right? With his innovative skills and techniques and the problem solving, we'll be discussing about today. We'll discuss about some of the applications of trigonometry and circles. So, sir, the stage is up to you. The screen is up to you. Please.
So, hello everyone. Let us start with the session, and so we can have the first question, and we will discuss each question, and you can put on your doubts, whatever the doubts are, and we'll discuss them. तो हम एक एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे हिंदी इंग्लिश में. आई विल स्पीक, तो हिंदी इंग्लिश में दोनों में बोलेंगे, और जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं आप मेरे से खुद के पूछ सकते हैं. तो हमारा मोटिव यही है कि हम बेस्ट से बेस्ट अपने एग्जाम में परफॉर्म कर सकें, और मोटिव इज टू जस्ट परफॉर्म द बेस्ट इन द एग्जाम, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द स्क्रीन, and the question is there is a circle. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter and the radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, so tangents at P and Q intersect at the point T. We have to find the length of TP. So I hope it is visible on the screen. एक सर्कल है जिसका एक chord देखिए आपको PQ 8 सेंटीमीटर की, उसका रेडियस है 5 सेंटीमीटर का, और एक पॉइंट T से हमने 2 टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ करे हैं, TP और TQ. हमें लेंथ बतानी है TP की. So any answers? कोई आंसर करना चाहेगा? कैसे कर सकते हैं इसको? Anybody would like to answer? How can we solve this? Little bit of construction needs to be done. थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ेगा इसमें. चलो मैं इसको बताता हूं. तो देखिए थोड़ा सा कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. तो ज्वाइन TO को हम ज्वाइन करेंगे. हमारे पास 2 राइट एंगल, तो प्रेमलता सिंह जी आंसर करेंगे बिल्कुल, ज्वाइन OT, दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. तो यू हैव टू ज्वाइन TO. यहाँ पे हमारे को 2 राइट एंगल्स ट्राइंगल मिल जाएंगे. वी विल फाइंड 2 राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल्स, and after getting those right angle triangles we can very easily solve the question by Pythagoras theorem. तो दोनों राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल से पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगा के हम बहुत इजीली इसको सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. तो देखते हैं सॉल्यूशन की तरफ. लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, द सॉल्यूशन. Can we have the solution? Yes.
Yeah, I've just shared the solution.
Yeah, so I think we have the solution on screen and I will show here also. So this is the solution. So यहाँ पर देखेंगे आप दो right angles triangle बन गए हैं. Tangent जो होता है वो perpendicular होता है. तो tangent जो होता है वो perpendicular होता है radius के. यहाँ पे एक right angle triangle बना है. दूसरा right angle triangle हमारा इस तरफ बनेगा जब हम TO को join करेंगे. So we have two right angle triangles. So in both the right angle triangles we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. दोनों में हम Pythagoras theorem apply करेंगे, right? So हमने यहाँ पे वही करा है पहले स्टेप में दोनों Pythagoras theorem. 3 this we have considered as x. हमने इसको x मान लिया है. ये 3 है, ये कहाँ से आया? टोटल 8 थी तो आधा हुआ 4. 4 है, 5 है, यहाँ भी Pythagoras theorem लग के यहाँ पे हमें 3 मिला. So total was 8. This is 4. This is 5. And by Pythagoras theorem we have this as 3. This is x. Now this is a right angle triangle. We'll apply Pythagoras theorem. This is also right angle triangle. We'll apply Pythagoras theorem. हमने Pythagoras theorem apply करी और TP की value substitute कर दी. We applied the Pythagoras theorem. We substitute the value of TP and we equated both. So we found x here. हमें यहाँ पे x मिल गया, right? x मिलते ही हमने x को इधर डाला तो हमें TP मिल गया जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया था. तो हम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड की तरफ मूव करते हैं. देखिए, anybody has any doubt can freely ask. This session is open for discussions. The motive is to improve your performance in exam. तो कोई कुछ भी डाउट पूछ सकता है. सेशन का टास्क ही है अपना मार्क्स इंप्रूव करना. So this is TP here. ये TP आ गया 20/3 centimeter. So Priya Sethi ji is saying it is clear. I hope it is clear to everybody else also. Just a little construction was needed and then Pythagoras theorem was applied. That's it. थोड़ा सा construction करके Pythagoras theorem हम apply करी है और आंसर आ चुका है. Okay. So let us move to the next question. The next question we can have on the screen.
Yeah, I've shared the next question. And one important announcement for all the participants, we will be uploading the answers, complete solutions on your, that can be downloaded and all. Now question 2 is here.
So question 2 is here and there are two circles. So first I will explain in English. There are two circles. Both are touching each other internally. Radius of both is given. And there is a perpendicular bisector. PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB, right? We have to find the length of PQ. दो सर्कल्स हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे को अंदर से टच कर रहे हैं, दोनों का रेडियस हमको गिवन है. ठीक है, तो AB का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है PQ. हमें PQ की लेंथ निकालनी है. ठीक, तो यहां भी हम देखते हैं बहुत सिंपल है. तो लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड एंड लेट अस डिस्कस द सॉल्यूशन. तो हमारे पास आप देखेंगे ये टोटल जो था वो 5 था. ये टोटल 5 था और ये जो था 3 था अकॉर्डिंग टू रेडियस. टोटल वाज 5, दिस वाज 3. सो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? 2 बचा. सो Kavikant is saying the first question. Explain again. Okay, so we'll start again with the first question. So okay, so I will just quickly explain the first question. So there was a circle and there was a chord of length 8 centimeter and there was a radius was 5 centimeter. From a point T, two tangents were drawn from point T. So Gokul, they will just come to the second question. Let us just discuss the first question again. So there was a circle, there were two tangents from a point and PQ is a chord of 8 centimeter. We need to find the length of TP. हमें TP की लेंथ निकालनी है. एक सर्कल है तो उसमें से एक बार दोबारा से देख लेते हैं. तो there was small construction. We just have to join TO. हमें TO को join करना है and we will find two right angle triangles. Nolan, good evening. So welcome to the session. So we have just joined TO and two right angle triangles are formed. This is a right angle triangle and this is also a right angle triangle. ये एक right angle triangle है, ये एक right angle triangle है. तो आप देखेंगे ये जो है 3 हमको मिला, कैसे मिला? We found this as 3. How? This complete was 8, so half is 4. Half is 4, this is 5. We applied the Pythagoras theorem. हमने यहाँ पे Pythagoras theorem apply करी. So we found this as 3. So we assumed this as x, and from here we applied the Pythagoras theorem. X square plus 4 square is equal to TP square. X square plus 4 square TP square है. Similarly, ये भी एक right angle triangle है, क्योंकि tangent perpendicular होता है. This is also right angle triangle because tangent is perpendicular. So again, TP square plus PO square, which is 5, is equal to 3 plus x square. So these are the two equations. From this we equated TP square. हमने यहाँ से TP square को equate करा, तो we found x. हमें x मिल गया. ठीक, तो x मिल गया, x को वापस इधर डाल दिया. We found x. We put the x here again, and we find TP, which is in the next slide. Okay. So this is the next slide. This is the final answer which was asked. The final answer है TP की length. I hope it is clear now. Yeah, Anashwara. So we are moving to the next question. Hello, Ayush. So let us move to the next question. So next question, I have explained it, but I will explain it again. दोबारा से देख लेते हैं. So there are two circles. दो circle हैं, दोनों एक दूसरे को internally touch कर रहे हैं. Both circles are touching each other internally. Radii of both the circles is given. So radius is given. दोनों का radius हमको पता है. And there is a perpendicular bisector PQ. AB का perpendicular bisector है आपका PQ. Hello Vishal. So now we need to find the length of PQ. This is the question. हमें PQ की length खोजनी है. So let us discuss the solution. So anybody has any doubt can freely ask. I'm saying it again. किसी को कोई doubt है freely पूछ सकता है. So दो circles थे, तो आप देखेंगे this is 3. So hello everyone. I will just not speak the name of everyone here. Everyone is saying hello. So hello everyone. So this is 3 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. ये 3 है, ये 5 है जो कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. तो बचा कितना? 2. So what is left? 2. Now PQ is perpendicular bisector. That means 1 and 1 we have found. Okay. Now this is perpendicular. We can apply Pythagoras theorem here. AP square plus AP square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This is what we have written. हमने यही लिखा. AP square AC square plus CP square. So AP is again 5 because it is a radius. ये radius की वजह से 5 ही होगा. So 5 square is equal to 1 square plus CP square. We found CP. We found CP. And CP's twice is PQ, which is 4 root 6. So that's it. This is the answer. So this is of the circles chapter that you have in NCERT. Circles chapter का NCERT में. तो सभी 10th class के board के exams जो होंगे उसमें काम आएगा. So AC जो है ये है 1. AC is 1. AB is 2. Because C complete is 5. This is 3. So what is left? 2. 2 बचा. तो AC तो 1 हुआ. तो AC को हमने 1 डाला. Right. So this is the answer. We found CP. Twice of CP is PQ. So Suraj, you're second. Okay. So Suraj, I will explain it again. There were two circles. Both were touching internally. And radius is given. So this is 5. This is 3. So what is left? 2 is left. AB is 2 centimeter. That means AC is 1 because AC is the perpendicular bisector. Now we apply the Pythagoras theorem here. So AP square is equal to PC square plus AC square. AP square is AC square plus PC square. What is AP? 5. What is CP? We have to find out. What is AC? 1. So हमने सबकी value डाल दी. We have substituted the value of everything here. And we found CP as this much. So now twice of CP is PQ. That's it. आयुष कौन सा क्वेश्चन आपको समझ नहीं आया? किसी को इस क्वेश्चन में डाउट? Anybody has any doubt in this question? I hope it is clear. Right? So we have found PQ, which was asked in the question. Okay. So let us move to the next question. Okay, everybody is saying no doubt. Okay, thank you so much. let us move to the next question. So Ayush, we cannot take up any other question. We are actually taking these questions which are for everybody here. So we can discuss this maybe sometime later. So let us move to the next question. Two tangents. तो दो tangent है 120 डिग्री पे, एक सर्कल पे हमने दो tangent बनाया है. This is I think a very easy question and students can try and tell me the answer. तो ये बहुत easy question है, students खुद एक बार मुझे आंसर कर सकते हैं. तो there is a circle whose radius is given 6 centimeter and two tangents are drawn from a point at an angle of 120 degree, right? We have to find the length of each tangent. तो हमने दो tangent draw करी हैं, हमें हर एक की length निकालनी है. So let us just do. आप एक बार करके देखिए and then I will discuss. एक बार आप सोचिए कैसे होगा. Tell me the answer. See, in mathematics you have to, just mathematics and physics also. So you have to draw the diagram properly. अगर आपने diagram बहुत अच्छे से बना लिया है, the chances of getting the answer increases manifold. So Priya is getting 6 centimeter. Okay. Any other answer? 2 into root 3. Sinjan is saying 2 into root 3. Any other answer? So Wahid, we will send the PDF after just the session. The PDF will be shared. Shagun is saying 6 centimeter. Any other answer? 2 root 3, Anashwara. Vivek 2 root 3, Ananya 2 root 3, Vishal 6. Okay, we have two options then. 6 and 2 root 3. Okay, so let us discuss the question. This is the solution. 2 root 3 then C. Shreya 2 root 3. So almost everyone is saying 2 root 3. Let us see. Yes, we'll get the PDF. Gunjay 2 root 3. Harsh 2 root 3. Okay. So Deepak 2 root 3. So everybody is copying or doing them on their own? So let us just see. Okay. So let us see the solution. So answer is 2 root 3 definitely. Correct one. And who gave the first answer 2 root 3? Okay. So 120 degree is here and 6 centimeter was there. So we know the half of the angle, it will become 60 degree. We can apply the we can apply simple rule of tan, right? So we can say perpendicular upon base is 60 degree. हम कह सकते हैं perpendicular upon base 60 degree होगा और directly हमें answer मिल रहा है. We are getting the answer directly, which is 2 root 3. Very simple question, right? So tan 60 is 6 upon AB. Okay. So 6 जिन का आया. So good, you tried. Very good. मतलब कुछ बच्चे try नहीं करते हैं. Some people don't try. You try it, you fail, you improve. That is how you learn. है ना? आप कुछ try करते हैं, कुछ हार भी जाते हैं, फिर से आप खड़े होकर जीत जाते हैं. So very good. Hello questions. So answer is 2 root 3. And let us move to the next question. Okay. So now this is a good question. I would also like everyone to try it for 2 minutes before me telling the answer. सब लोग 2 minute try करेंगे. तो yeah. So next question we can have on the screen. Yes. So see, there is a man walking towards a vertical pillar. So एक pillar के तरफ एक आदमी चलता हुआ जा रहा है. एक pillar की तरफ आदमी चलता हुआ जा रहा है in a straight path with uniform speed, constant speed से चल रहा है. So at a certain point A, किसी point A पे वो देखता है, he observes the angle of elevation at the top is 30 degree. After 10 minutes, 10 मिनट बाद वो आगे बढ़ रहा है, वो देखता है, so पहले एंगल 30 डिग्री था और 10 मिनट बाद in the same direction he observes angle at 60 degree. So एक vertical pillar है और यहाँ पे वो देखता है 30 degree angle, 10 मिनट बाद देखता है वो 60 degree angle. So time taken by him to reach the pillar from B is. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक का समय कितना लगेगा ये हमको बताना है. Okay, so Shreya is saying 5 minutes. Kavi is saying 5 minutes. Okay, that was quick. Anybody else? Vivek 5 minutes. Okay. Redmi. Okay, everybody is saying 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, so I think 5 should be made the answer. Huh? Everybody is saying it. 6 minutes. Gokul. Okay, Anu. 5 minutes. Sejal 5, Vishal 5. Okay, so let us then discuss the answer. Yes, it is not a difficult question. It is easy. Let us discuss it. So see, this is the diagram. So diagram first should be made very clear. Diagram सबको अच्छा बनाना है, उतने में ही आंसर समझ आ जाता है होने क्या वाला है. So जब वो यहाँ था, when the person was here, the angle was 30 degree. When he moved ahead, angle was 60 degree. जब वो आगे बढ़ा angle 60 हो गया 10 मिनट बाद. Okay, we have to find this time. So यहाँ पर भी हम यही करेंगे, tan rule लगा सकते हैं. We can put tan rule. So in the first triangle, tan 30 is h upon this distance. Right, h upon, so h upon this distance, how much it is? Speed into time, speed into time. So this we have done here. Tan 30 is h upon speed into time, speed into time. Okay, and then again at 60 degree, again at 60 degree, wait, yeah, so again at 60 degree we have tan 60 is perpendicular upon base again. Okay, now we have put the value of tan 30 and tan 60. फिर से हमने tan 30 tan 60 वैल्यू डाल दी है और चीजों को इक्वेट करना चालू करा. और in the next slide, we can have the next slide. In the next slide, when we equated both, we found the answer was 5 minutes. So it is correct. Yes, everybody found the right answer. One person was saying 6, but it is 5 answer. Yes. So 5 बिल्कुल ठीक आंसर है. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है पूछ लीजिए खुल के, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. Anybody has any doubt can ask me. Alok 5 is it is correct. So let us move to the next question. Okay, Shagun, no doubt. Okay. So next question we can have on the screen. Shifa is saying, please explain again. Okay, quickly, I will just explain again. See, Shifa, so first we need to find draw the triangle properly. When the person was here, the angle was 30 degree. And then when the person moved ahead, angle was 60 degree in 10 minutes. So we have two right angle triangles. This is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. दो right angle triangle मिले. हमने दोनों में tan 30 tan 60 लगाया. So tan 30 tan 60 हमने लगाया perpendicular upon base. So h upon total distance. What is total distance? Speed into time. Speed into time. So 10v and vt. Similarly, tan 60 is h upon vt. H upon vt. Right? So हमने निकाला और दोनों को इक्वेट करना चालू करा. We put the value of tan 30, tan 60 हमने डाला और चीजों को इक्वेट करी हमने. एक एक वेरिएबल हटाया. So we eliminated variable, we solved them and we found the answer as 5 minutes. That's it. I hope it is clear, Shifa. We will have the slides shared after the session. तो हम सेशन में दोबारा के एंड में दोबारा स्लाइड्स वगैरह शेयर करेंगे तो एवरीबॉडी कैन सी दैट. So I'm moving to the next question. Let us have the next question on screen. Okay, so Pushpa has already got the answer. Root 3 is to 1. Let us see. Anybody has got the answer? Root 3. Anashwara is also saying root 3 is to 1. Okay, we have some smart kids in the class. Huh? So Renzi is also saying root 3 is to 1. Okay, let us check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay, so I will just explain the answer question. Anshika is also saying root 3. So angle of elevation of top of a tower. So angle, similar type of question it is. Ananda is also saying root 3 is to 1. So a tower is there and 3 points are there. 3 points हैं. A, B and C. Okay, angle from ABC is 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. We need to find the ratio of AB is to BC. हमें AB is to BC निकालना है. Nishant root 3. तो आपको एक tower given है. We can have the next slide. So as I said, we have to draw the diagram properly. हमें diagram बहुत अच्छे से करना है. ठीक है ना? तो हमें diagram बहुत अच्छे से draw करना है. So let us see. So this is the diagram and from ABC, angle of elevation to the tower are 30, 45 and 60. 30, 45 and 60. So we have considered it as x, okay, and this as h. Now again we have applied trigonometry in the three right angle triangles. Tan 60 is perpendicular upon base h by x. Again tan 45 is RJ Singh 1:3, okay. So h upon x plus bc. Similarly, what is tan 30? H upon x plus bc plus ab. So these three values have to be kept. Let us have the next slide. ये तीन values हमको डालनी है और एक एक करके variable हटाना है. So we have to just remove the variable. Okay, so from equation 2 we have this, and then in the next page it is only a matter of solution now. The thing that has to be done has been done. अब बस इसको solve करना बाकी है. जब हम इस स्टेप पे पहुंचते हैं तो हम बस एक चीज नहीं करनी होती है यहाँ पे. We have to do one thing new, that we have to divide the whole equation by BC. So at this point हमें यहाँ पर BC से पूरा डिवाइड करना ताकि हमें AB by BC यहाँ मिल जाए. इतना करना है और सॉल्व करते ही नेक्स्ट उसमें हमें आंसर मिलता है AB by BC जो हमें निकालना था. The thing that we have to find, we have put it as y for simplicity. You can put it as AB by BC also. Okay, so by cross multiplying we have the answer as √3:1. So yes, a lot of people have got the right answer. बहुत लोगों ने सही आंसर निकाला. So it was also, both the questions were of same kind only, not much difference. दोनों सेम तरह के क्वेश्चन ही थे. Vinyas, you need to see the question. Okay. Gokul, explain it again. Okay, I'll just explain it again. So see diagram. First of all, we need to find a diagram properly. We need to draw the diagram properly. So Nitesh is saying justification for construction of 3 marks. Yeah. See, you need to just see, if you have time, you should definitely write it for 1-2 lines. There is no problem in that. Okay. So let us just explain it again. So one student was facing a problem. So we have to draw the diagram properly. Let us see the diagram again. There are 3 points from which angle of elevations are given: 30, 45, and 60. Right? And we need to find the ratio of AB by BC. We have considered this as H, this as X. हमने ऐसे triangle बना के HX मान लिया है. अब यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे tan 30, tan 45, tan 60. What is tan 30? H upon X plus BC plus AB. What is tan 45? H upon X plus BC. What is tan 60? H upon X. So all these values we will put: tan 60, tan 45, and similarly tan 30. हमें तीनों की value डाल देंगे. And slowly we will just eliminate the variables. हम धीरे धीरे variables को हटाएंगे. Right? So from the equation 2 we have H as this. From equation 1 we have this. From equation 1 we have this. So from here we find X. यहाँ से हमें X मिल गया. Now we will use this X again. We'll use this X again in equation number 3. And at this point, इस point पे we'll divide the whole equation by BC. इसको पूरे BC से divide करेंगे तो बन जाएगा AB by BC. So AB by BC will find. Let us put this as Y, which we need to find. हमने इसको निकालना था, हमने इसको Y मान लिया. Cross multiply करा, cross multiply. And in the next step, as you can see, we have the answer √3:1. So this is only a simple, mathematics cross multiplication. ये I think सबको आता होगा. I hope this everybody can do. So I hope this is clear at this point. Till this point, everything is clear. Answer is √3:1. It is correct. Right? Okay, then she's saying clear. So let us move to the next question. Let us have the next question on screen. So again, it is a very, very simple question. Very simple question. So in the last session, some people were saying a difficult session. So in this session, we have included some easy questions as well. Okay, so this is also easy question. I think students can do. Please tell me the answer, then we'll discuss. And anybody has any problem in the previous questions also, we can discuss them at the completing all the questions which are left. Just you need to be frank. आप मेरे से frank रहिए, आप मेरे से पूछेंगे, मैं आपको explain करूंगा दोबारा से. So Anshika is saying, so Anshika, we have to find the angle. Angle cannot be 3 centimeter. Question number 6. It is a very simple question. I think students can do it. Shinjan is saying 60 degree. Priya is saying the level of question is perfect. Thank you. Prajwal is saying 60 degree. Okay. Debasmita 60 degree. Rensi 60, Ujjwal 60. Biswal is saying 30. Okay. One new answer 30. Anu is saying 70. Okay, so we have different answers. It is very, very simple. See, in all the questions, one thing is common. Diagram should be made perfect. सभी questions में एक बहुत important चीज है, diagram बहुत बढ़िया बनाना. So if you have the perfect diagram, you have the perfect solution. Diagram बहुत अच्छा बनेगा because diagram needs imagination. Diagram के लिए थोड़ी imagination चाहिए कि हो क्या रहा है. So okay, so let us discuss the solution. Let us move to the solution. Okay. So let us move to the solution, and so this is the diagram. Okay, so this is the complete angle, this is half angle, this is 3 centimeter, radius is √3. So this is a right angle triangle. ये एक right angle triangle है because tangents are perpendicular to the radius. क्योंकि tangents perpendicular होते हैं radius के. So from this we have tan theta as √3/3. यहाँ से हमें मिल जाएगा tan theta √3/3. So tan theta is √3/3. That means 1/√3. That means theta is 30. इसका मतलब theta 30 है. तो अल्फा कितना हुआ 60 डिग्री, right? So angle is 60 degree. Simple question. I hope it is clear. Very, very simple question. Everybody is able to see the solution? Yes. Shagun all clear, Anu all clear, okay. Priya all clear, okay. Okay, simple question. Now we have 2 more questions left, and after that you can ask me any of the other doubts you can have in any question. I can repeat that. So question is, a cow is, we can have the next question. Yeah. So cow is tied to a post by a rope. तो एक पोस्ट है यानी कि एक पिलर है, उससे रोप से एक गाय बंधी है, ठीक है. So it is tied by the rope. Now cow moves along the circular path. Cow moves along the circular path, keeping the rope tight. Rope एकदम tight है. So it describes a radius of 10 centimeter horizontally. Okay, this is horizontal. When the rope subtends an angle 30 degree. Rope is subtending an angle 30 degree with the horizontal. Sorry, with the horizontal. Now find the length of the rope. We have to find the length of the rope. तो एक वर्टिकल पोस्ट है, यहां से स्ट्रिंग से एक गाय बंधी है, गाय से घूम रही है, और जो स्ट्रिंग है वो यहाँ से 30 डिग्री बनाती है. हमें इसकी लेंथ निकालनी है. So please solve this. We'll discuss. Trisha is getting 10 by √3. Okay. Any other answer? 10 by √3. Vishal 3. I hope the question is clear. एक बड़े से पोस्ट से रोप बांध के ऐसे घूम रही है. 10 by √3 Anashwara. Let us see. 10 √3 Deepak. 35 centimeter NC. Lot of different answers in this. Prajwal 3 centimeter. NC 35. 10 √3. 5 √3 Anshika. Very, very different answers in this, huh? थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन बदला और सबके आंसर्स बदल गए. Little twist in the question. Okay. So anybody has not got the right answer till now? 5√3 Devasmita. 20/√3 Vishnu. Priya 20/√3. Okay, Arya 10/√3. Badal 20/√3. Okay. So let us solve this. Lot of different answers are coming. Okay. Yeah, so Anmata is saying, explain the question again. So I will just explain the question again. There is a post, vertical post. एक बड़ा सा ऐसे डंडा समझिए आप, बहुत बड़ी पोस्ट है. यहाँ से रस्सी बांधी गई है. There was a rope from here, from which the cow was, tied. एक यहाँ से हमने गाय बांधी. अब गाय घूम रही है ऐसे. तो एक वर्टिकल पोस्ट के रोने से घूम रही है, जिसका सर्कल का रेडियस है 10 मीटर. ठीक है. और ये जो रोप है, इट इज मेकिंग एन एंगल 30 डिग्री विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल. 30 डिग्री बना दी है. हमें बताना है कि वो रोप कितनी लंबी है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द हाउ मच इज द लेंथ ऑफ द रोप. Okay, so this was the question. I will just explain. Some people have got the right answers, but lot of different answers are coming. So let us see. So first of all, this is the diagram. This is the diagram. The cow is moving in a circle. गाय ऐसे सर्कल में घूम रही है और यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा पोस्ट है. यहाँ से आप देखेंगे रोप की लेंथ हमने x मान ली, ये रेडियस था 10. अब देखिए कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन हो गया. Very simple question. It is everything is visible now. Cow is moving, radius is 10, this is 30 degree. So we can write cos 30 as 10 by x. We can write cos 30 as 10 by x. From this we have the answer as 20/√3. So many students have got the right answers. Congratulations. So please see it. This is not the correct diagram. So there was a mistake in the diagram. This is the correct diagram. Circle is here. X. So I think on Facebook also you are able to see the right diagram. 30 degree, 10 x. Cos 30 is 10 by x. Cos 30 10 by x. Cos 30 is √3/2. Sin 30 is 1/2. And we have the length. Please discuss if you have any problem. I will explain again. किसी को कुछ problem है पूछ सकते हैं. Yeah, we can rationalize the denominator definitely. प्रेमलता हम डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनलाइज कर सकते हैं, ऊपर नीचे √3 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. बिल्कुल ऐसा कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ओके शगुन, क्लियर? ओके, explain question number 6 again, Vanshika. Okay, we'll come back to question number 6. Okay, so let us first move to question number 8, then we'll come again to question number 6.
See, here I want to add one thing more. See, in problem involving applications of trigonometry, what is most important is to study the question and to draw the diagram. What will be its different angles? It is more to convert the understanding of the problem into the diagrammatic representation. Then the problem becomes very easy.
Yes, definitely. So diagram making is very, very important. If you make the diagram properly, half of the question is solved there. Diagram बहुत अच्छा बनता है तो half of the question वहीं solve होता है. तो काफी लोग question number 6 के लिए दोबारा बोल रहे हैं. Question number 8 पहले कर लेते हैं, फिर question number 6 पे आएंगे.
One thing more, your answer may be correct, but if the diagram is wrong, then the marks will be deducted for that also. Your diagrammatic representation of the problem is very important. Even your answer is correct, and if your diagram is wrong, then the marks will be deducted for that also. Now moving to the next question, sir.
Definitely. So definitely diagram makes the first impact on the teacher. Diagram teacher का पहला impact डालता है कि बच्चे ने सोचा क्या, what the student thought. And if the diagram is clear, then the teacher thinks yes, the student has thought it correctly. So definitely diagram is important.
And in this, we have also covered questions catering to the basic level as well as your standard levels of the question pattern. So we have in the section we have also included question with terms to be a simple question, but when you apply, it is a bit higher than the basic, and that covers your standard levels. Yeah, the question number 8 is here, sir, on the screen.
Yeah. So basically, see, if you are able to understand all these questions that we are discussing today, you won't face any problem in boards definitely. अगर आप ये सभी क्वेश्चन अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड कर लेते हैं, इसी टाइप के कुछ बोर्ड्स में भी आएंगे. अगर इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है तो डेफिनेटली बोर्ड्स भी अच्छे हमारे जाएंगे. So let us move to question number 8. NCERT is definitely important NCERT, but these questions, they will give you a very good idea, a little extra bit also. So question number 8, please. Yeah. So please read it, and I would definitely like to have some answers from the students. So there is a vertical ring. So this is horizontal ring. This is vertical ring. So there is a vertical ring placed on the ground, and tangents of length 10 centimeter each are drawn from a point on the ground. From this tangent is drawn. From this tangent is drawn. So Debasmita is giving 20√3. Okay. So tangents are drawn. And if tangents are making an angle 120 degree with each other, so one tangent is here, one tangent is here, the angle is 120 degree. What is the maximum height of the ring? The maximum height of the ring we need to find. Okay, Sanjana 20√3. Yes. So let us see, and what else? Vertical ring is there, not horizontal ring. A vertical ring, and tangents are drawn like this. So Renzi is saying science ki bhi aisi class rakhiye please. So okay, so this is a feedback to the sir. And anybody else? 22/2. Shinjan, okay. 20√3 Anshika. Anybody else? 20√3 Renzi. Okay, I think we have one answer here. Ishan 20√3. Prajwal 20√3. Okay, so I think we can move on to the solution. Okay, so let us move to the solution. Again, we will definitely form the diagram very properly here first. So this is a vertical ring, and from this point, tangents are drawn at an angle 120 degree. Right? Tangent's length is 10. So half of the angle is 60 degree. From here, the radius is perpendicular. So it is little tilted. Radius will be perpendicular. It will be completely perpendicular. Okay. So radius is here. So we can write radius and by 10 is tan 60. So r by 10 is tan 60. And what is the height at which the person is standing? It is 2 times r. So as we can see, tan 60 is r by 10 and height is again 20√3, which is the correct answer. A lot of students got it correctly. Any doubt in this? कोई भी किसी बच्चे को कुछ भी doubt हो छोटा सा भी इसमें please खुल के पूछिए. Please ask it. Any doubt in it? Anashwara is saying no. We have the solution already on the screen. We have discussed it. Crystal clear, Anashwara. Very good. Very good. So see, confidence is very, very important. You should have very much. If you have practiced it well, अगर आपने बहुत अच्छे से practice करा है, आप में confidence है, तो आप definitely अच्छा ही करेंगे exam में. Thank you, Renzi. So I hope there is no problem in this. We'll move to the question number 6. Some students were facing problem in that. Question number 6 को दोबारा से हम discuss कर देते हैं. Question number 6. It was very, very easy. So Debasmita is saying alternate segment of circle. So Debasmita, actually, if you have some other question, we can discuss it in some other session. So today we are discussing only these questions. These are for everybody. So question number 6, let us understand it again. We have it on the screen, I think. So pair of tangents, each of length 3, are drawn from external point to a circle. So there is a circle of radius √3. So Priya is saying previous webinar. Okay. Okay, so I think
previous webinar will be uploaded on the. We will have a third webinar also that will cover the topic surface areas and volumes and your statistics. In that webinar, we will be uploading you, or you will be providing you the PDF of all the questions and the solutions also. But in this webinar, we will be providing you the link towards the end of the webinar, from where you can download the complete solution. It is not only, it's a comprehensive solution where a step-by-step solution how to arrive at the answer will be given. And that will also make you to understand while solving, you have to write each and every step, then you will get the right answer, because there was a marks will also be allocated to the step also, and writing the units very well. So at the end of this, towards the end of the session, a link will be shared. My colleague, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, will share the links from where you can download the complete solutions of all these questions, because this questions covers the entire spectrum of the syllabus that has been prescribed in the term 2 of this examination for your topic circles and some applications of the trigonometry and other thing. If you understand everything, if there is any doubt, Mr. Anshul Garg is to clear all your doubt. This session is truly and completely meant for the benefit of you only. Yeah, question 6, sir.
Yeah, question number 6, we'll just explain it again. So question number 6 is, I think, very, very simple. So there is a point from which 2 tangents are drawn 3 centimeter each. एक point से 2 tangent draw करें 3 centimeter किसी circle पे जिसका radius है √3, whose radius is √3. We have to find the angle between the 2 tangents. हमें दोनों के बीच में angle खोजना है. So very simple question. As we said, we have to draw the diagram properly. हमें diagram अच्छे से draw करना है. So we can have the solution. So see, this is a circle. ये एक circle है जहाँ से tangents draw करें हैं 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. And this is the radius. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Radius हमेशा perpendicular to the tangent है. Complete angle is alpha, half angle is theta. So we can say tan theta as √3/3. We can say tan theta as √3/3, which is 1/√3. यानी कि theta आया 30. That means theta is 30. And since theta is half of alpha, that means alpha is 60 degrees. That means the angle between both the tangents is 60 degrees. That's it. Very simple question. Got it? So 2-3 students are having doubt in question number 6. I hope it is clear now. Okay. So any other doubt in, so we are having 8 questions only today. So then see, you get the notification from the Facebook page of Ratna Sagar Publications, and so we are having 8 questions today. If anybody is having any doubt in this, please ask. We'll discuss. No.
Any queries you can write out in your chat box and you can ask.
So Anashwar is saying, please help out in physics. Okay, so I think Prakash sir can see to it for next
We will
webinar.
see to it. You see to we see to it. We will see to it.
Okay, so I think Prakash sir can take over from here.
Yeah, thank you, Anshul sir, for all this. Now, now this is March, and the examination is on your 5th of your May. You have got an ample time. What we have done for this occasion, we have especially brought out 2 textbooks, your mathematics practice book for class 9 and mathematics practice book for class 10. And in your class 10, what we've done, we have covered all types of questions. We have got competency-based questions, short answer type question, long answer type question. And for your benefit, these books have the series editor of Dr. Hukum Singh ji. Dr. Hukum Singh was the former dean and professor of mathematics, Department of Education in Science and Mathematics at NCERT, New Delhi. So all type of questions, this will have a very, and this text is given in a very precise form, and you have got only 7 chapters to be covered. And this book will definitely help you to score good marks. And other thing, there is also a scan QR code given with the book, whatever the CBSE updates, all the sample question paper, and we will also provide you the sample question paper on the third day, the third webinar, in which we will cover of the remaining topics. And also you can also buy this book through Amazon, even for through Flipkart and the Snapdeal. The links, or the 3 links, are being given. So this book will definitely help you score good marks in your class 10 exam. And other thing, it will also remove the fear which we were having, what type of questions being asked, and it will, and the book 10th will cater to both your basic as well as the standard level. And the complete text is given in a very precise form. And all types of questions that may come in an examination, or the type of questions that can be made from a particular topic, all those categorization are given in this book. So this book will help you a lot in. And my colleague Mr. Pankaj will now share you your link from where you can download the complete solution of all the questions covered during this webinar. And Mr. Pankaj, if you want to add something, yeah, Ms. Ankita, if you would like to add anything further to this webinar.
Sir, I have shared the Google Drive link to everyone. They can download the today's session question and answer fully explained through this link. And other thing is that for any CBSE update, you can like, subscribe, and share our Facebook page. And other thing is that we have a comprehensive support website for students of class 10. You can download sample paper for term 2 class 10 for practice with answers in our support website. The URL is onboardbooks.in. So these are very helpful. Other thing is that if you see our mathematics practice book 9-10, we'll see as a QR code in the cover page. If you scan the QR code through your mobile phone or smartphone, that will redirect you to the onboard support website page where you get all the support. Especially, I will request all the students of class 10 who are appearing on 5th May 2020, that is Thursday, for mathematics examination. We have uploaded mathematics sample paper for term 2 with solution on our support website. Please scan the QR code, and our mathematics practice book class 10 is fully updated, and it will be very helpful for the students who are appearing for the class 10 board examinations. Links of Amazon, Flipkart, and Snapdeal have been shared to all of you. You can check with these links for the books, mathematics practice book class 10. Wishing all the best for your coming examinations from onboard books team.
Yeah, Mr. Arindam, any queries or anything in the chat box? Ms. Ankita, you want to add something?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Hello, students. All the very best for the upcoming term 2 board examinations. Keep practicing. Ratna Sagar is always there to help you out. Switching to you, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Ankita. Mr. Arindam, any queries in the chat box which we reply to it? I think Divya Singh has.
Sir, here, apart from that, sir, in the another box here in question answer box, Aryan Shinde has been telling that, sir, most of the questions are related with tangent in chapter. Some
Yes,
applications of trigonometry.
Yes. Very good question. And please see the term 2 examination syllabus. In the circle, it will be only tangent to a circle at a point of contact. Prove the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Number 2, that length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. And in applications of trigonometry, heights and distance, angle of elevation, angle of depression, simple problem of on heights and distance problems should not involve more than two right triangles. Angles of elevation, depressions will be only 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. This is the syllabus, the term-wise syllabus given for this term 2 examinations by the CBSE. See, please restrict yourself to the syllabus which has been prescribed for the term 2 for the board examination, because CBSE has reduced or truncated the syllabus for your class 10 term 2 examination. Or if you would need, you can write to us, and we will send you for the link of your updated syllabus. This is the reason why we covered only the topics which has been prescribed by the CBSE for the term 2 examination. See, you have studied all throughout the year. Now for the 2 months, your targets will be fixed, your goals will be fixed, and you should confine yourself to the syllabus which has been defined by the CBSE. Because see, most of the books may cover lot many topics, but what we have given you the precise information, and we have also covered the questions which are relevant to the syllabus. Therefore, we have covered only these topics. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Arindam, and for raising this, and thank to the participant and the student who has raised this question, because this question solves the queries of many other students as well.
Right, sir. You're absolutely correct, sir. That what sir has explained us, that what you have been telling, and Pankaj ji is constantly sharing each and every link. These are all clickable links that Pankaj ji is sharing on in the chat box. And the students, I like to tell all the students that these are all clickable links. Again, these are all clickable links. Everything where you can go, you can purchase our book. You can also come into our Ratnasagar website. You can give in your queries in our chat. You mean the Facebook pages? You can come in where we also go through that. We will answer your queries, everything. These are all clickable links. You can buy our books. You can come to our websites again and again. These are all clickable links. And everything, as Mr. Pankaj ji has shared, this will be shared across to you people. No need not to worry. We are always there with you. Right now, I will be sharing a feedback link across to you, students. Right, I will be sharing a feedback link. You can write in your feedback that what you want and what the things that you like. Right, so I will be sharing your feedback link out here. Right, I hope you will be getting it right now. And this is also again a clickable. If you click on it, you'll straight go into our feedback form. Right, so if you have any other queries, you can write in our chat box. Right, I think another question has come up. How do I know when the next class is? Pankaj ji, I think there's another question by
yes, Arindam, the next session is on 26th of March.
Okay, so I think that will be again given on our website pages, pages on the Facebook pages. Then I think by our salesperson who are there, they will be sharing the link with the schools and principals and everybody in turn, that you will be also getting that. Right, I hope Sahil, that is correct.
That's correct.
Yeah, please subscribe or like our Facebook page, Mr. Pankaj.
Yes, the Facebook page.
Your feedback is very important to us. Kindly share your feedback.
On the Facebook. So I have shared the link of our Facebook page. So please do like our Facebook page. The URL is facebook.com/onboardbooks. So I'm just sharing the link of our Facebook page.
Right, students, if you have any other queries, you can always, if you want now also, you can post in there also, or you can give it in your feedback also. Pankaj sir, there is one question that is probably coming. Sir, there is a doubt of tangent PQ and PL are drawn to a circle from an external P point. Anishwara is telling.
Okay. So Anashwara, you can connect with me. You can find me in the internet. We can solve it later on with all the your queries if you have that, right? Hello. Yeah. So on these questions, if you have any doubt, we can definitely discuss them. These have been done by all the students. If anybody has some other personal query, they can connect with me personally also. So we can look forward to that.
Yeah, I see here I want to add that Mr. Anshul Garg has dedicated his life to the benefit of the students by his so rich experience and all, and the teaching experience. He want to spread the goodness of mathematics and science all around. So anybody can get in touch with him or write to us so that we can take it forward. Because for us, education is our mission.
Okay, so I think so anybody has any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we can meet in the next session. If Prakash sir has anything else to say, we can say.
Yeah, Mr. Arindam.
Sir, I think we have come to a time where we can need to close the session, right? Wholehearted thanks to all the participants out here, all the students who are going to their exams, final exams, to participants out here. Thank you. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for joining with us. I think another session would be coming up. Just kindly go through our Facebook page, like and subscribe our Facebook page, and you will be getting all the updates that is required. You'll be getting it, right? So kindly come in there, have a look, and you can also buy our books from the web links that we have given out there. You can buy the books from there, right? So signing off for today. Thank you, students. Thank you very much for joining in.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, students.